Hey there everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial video, and in this video I will teach you how to change your Windows lock screen. Let's get started. Step 1 is to right click on your desktop and select Personalize from the menu. Step 2 is to look for the lock screen on the left sidebar and click it. Here you can choose a new background image from the options provided or select pictures to use your own image. Click Browse and select the picture you want to set as your lock screen. If you want to use multiple images in a slideshow, simply click on Slideshow. You can then choose the folder with your favorite pictures. If you want to add some widgets to your lock screen, you can just scroll down and you can add it here. You just have to click this plus sign and then you can successfully add any applications to customize your Windows lock screen. And once you're happy with the changes, close the settings. And then we will check if we have successfully changed our Windows lock screen. Just press on your keyboard Windows plus L. And there you have it. We have successfully changed our Windows lock screen. Thank you for learning with me today, and once again, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to change your Windows lock screen. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and see you on my next video.